do morning voice? Hello there. I don't know how to do a morning voice. Because I'm really raspy in the morning, and I don't think I can do my really raspy voice. No. Hello there. No, I just turned into Thor. Do you guys know Thor, the God of Thunder? The God of Thunder, yeah, from the Marvel Cinematic Universe. I just turned into to Thor. So everybody step into the Bifrost. Yeah, my brother Loki. He's really interested in all of this. He's really interested. I'm actually Loki right now. I'm actually Loki because who can shapeshift into the greatest Vtuber other than me, of course. Just let me beat you. I haven't heard from my wife and kids. Please let me. You know, I've been fighting you for 100 years, and what I have found out is the overwhelming pain and burden. Okay, that really hurt. Come on. The pain and burden of sacrifice. Sacrifices that I ever made for my country. Let's go. What?! Come on. What do you mean? What do you mean I sound like Thor? Thor, the God of Thunder. So, Loki, what do you think? Loki, what do you think? Please, come on. You need to go home. You can undo the, Could you please undo the transformation spell? Yeah. Let's go back to Asgard. To Father. I am Thor, Odin's son. Fuck.